We're here today with Pat Denham, the owner of Baseline Builders, to talk about her business and her outlook for the 2013 season. How are you doing today?
I'm doing just great, thank you.
Great. So tell us how you got into the building industry.
About 10 years ago, my husband had been retired and he wanted to start something up again. So my son has been in construction for all of his life, and we decided we would start a construction company. He got the license, and we got it started and started building houses.
Okay, and what types of products and services does Baseline Builders offer as a community?
We offer home maintenance and repairs, as well as new home construction. Along with it, we offer remodeling and renovation. We have a section of the company that does the home maintenance and small repairs.
And I saw that on your website, and so tell me about that. It's the Residential Assurance Program?
It's the RAP program. It is a program for homeowners that really have these little things, and they think they don't really mount up to be much, but after a while they begin to grow and get bigger because it doesn't repair itself. And so there'll be like little places of wood rot around the house, or windows that are not real tight, or sometimes they'll have gutters that are kind of falling off, and they just don't know how to get it fixed. So they can just call us and we'll come out and fix it.
Well, with the economy improving, are you seeing an increase in construction and remodels?
I am. I'm seeing a lot more people out there. People are getting the homes redone.
Tell us the areas of remodeling you're seeing people do more of.
We're seeing a lot of bathrooms right now because the baby boomers are out there, and they're getting where the bathtubs are too hard to get in and out of, and it's just more convenient to have a nice tile shower and be able to have better access to their home.
And in terms of return on investment, as far as resale value, what areas of the home do you find are most valuable in that aspect?
I think the bathrooms and kitchens are still a big resale value, even though I think sunrooms, because people have a tendency to want to be outside a lot, and having open patios and stuff is not real convenient at night here in Florida. So they're coming in and either screening them in or putting windows to give them a lot of light, and they're able to sit out there and look outside and not have to be exposed to, you know, the cold and the mosquitoes and and the heat. So.
Well, and speaking of that, a lot of our Granite Buyers Club members are homeowners and also business owners. How can they get in touch with you to get involved in the RAP program?
They can call us at 352-372-7002, and they can go on our website, and we have websites www.baselinebuilders.com, or they can email me at pat@baselinebuilders.com.
All right. Well, hey, thank you very much for joining us today, and we look forward to hearing more about your RAP program in the future.
Okay, thank you.